Hello, this is the Layman's reaction to the Harp Twins, and the song is Songbird. This is nice. I like the lyrics. I always like it when they sing. Sometimes they just play. But this one here, they're playing and singing because they got great voices. Just the scenery and all what's going on out there, but their voices always just so soft and smooth and pleasant. And the playing is just nice and easy.
And the songbirds are singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. And I wish you all the love in the world, but most of all, I wish it from myself. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. Like never before. Like never before. One chance for you.
I love you like never before. Just great lyrics on this, all the way through. The smiles, sunshine and birds are chirping. It's a happy song. So yeah, I like this. Hope you all did. Feel free to comment, subscribe, hit that like button.